Joga Falls is a waterfall on the Sharavati River located in the Western Ghats, Siddhapura Taluk, Uttar Kannada district. And the viewpoint is located in Sagara Taluk of Shimoga district. It is the second highest flowing waterfalls in India. It is the segmented waterfalls which depends on rain and season. The falls are major attractions for tourists and is ranked by 36th in the list of free falling waterfalls 490th in the world by list of waterfalls by total height and 128th in the list of single drop waterfalls in the world by the waterfall database. Joga Falls is created by the Sharavati dropping 253 meter, meaning of feet 830, making it the third highest waterfalls in India after the Noka Lika Kai falls with a drop of 335 meters in the meaning of 1099 feet in Meghalaya state, and Dudhsagar waterfalls with a drop of 310 meters in the meaning of feet 1020 in Goa state. Content is interesting. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, press all and like the video. Thank you. Sharavati, a river which rises at Ambutirtha next to Nonapur in the Tirthali Taluk and take the northwesterly course by Pattepeta, receives the Haridravati on the right below Pattaguppe and the Ennehole on the left above Barangi. On arriving at the frontier, it bends to the west, precipitates itself down the falls Gerusalpa, and passes that village. In the village, properly Gerusuppe, which is some 30 kilometers in the meaning of 90 meters distant, discharging into the Arabian Sea at Honnavara in Uttar Kannada. The Sharavati flowing over a rocky bed about 250 yards in the meaning of 230 meters wide. Her reaches a tremendous chasm 290 meters in the meaning of 950 feet deep. And the water comes down in four distinct falls. The Raja Fall pours in one unbroken column sheer to the depth of 250 meters 830 feet. Half down it is encountered by the roarer, another fall which precipitates itself into a vast cup and then rushes violently downwards at an angle of 45 degrees to meet the Raja. A third fall, the rocket shoots downwards in a series of just, while the fourth, the Rani, moves quietly over the mountainside in a sheet of foam. The tourism department has built steps from the viewpoint to the bottom of the hill where the waterfalls can be seen at the opposite side. There are approximately 1400 steps built to the reach bottom of the hill. If video is the interesting and helpful, please subscribe the channel. Please go subscribe the channel and like the video. In significance associated with the waterfalls is the nearby Linganamakki Dam across the Sharavati River. The power station has been operational since 1948 and is of 120 megawatts capacity, one of the largest hydroelectric stations in India at that time and a small source of electric power of Karnataka now. The power station was previously named Krishna Rajendra Hydroelectric Project after the king of Mysuru at that time. The name was later changed to Mahatma Gandhi Hydroelectric Project. It was saved by the Hirebaksara Dam until 1960. After 1960, due to the idea of Mokshagundam, Vishveshwaraya Linganamakki Dam has been used for power generation. Regarding transport and connectivity, nearest railway stations distance to the locations Talaguppa 13 km 8.1 miles and Sagara 30 km 19 miles. Honnavara 68 kilometers and 42 miles. Bhatkala 90 kilometers and 56 miles, which are on Mangaluru Bombay Konkan Railway route. Nearest bus station Sagara and Joga Falls bus stop. Nearest center for private road transport is Sagara. Nearest airport aerial distance to the location. Domestic Hubli Airport 130 kilometers and 81 miles. International Airport Bengaluru International Airport 422 kilometers and 262 miles. Mangaluru International Airport India, formerly airport 200 kilometers and 120 miles. Goa Airport 264 kilometers and 164 miles. And see also with Joga Falls traveling. List of waterfall of India. Kodichadri, one of the best tourist place, and second Gudubavi Birds Sanctuary stations, which is one beautiful attending places. Please see full video, and if your content is interesting and helpful, please subscribe the channel and go now hit the bell icon and press all. Thank you. Please see full video different places from Joga.